To Yard Style Live.
So help
You become
out
a provider,
the peer-
man.
Yeah, I help out
When
them.
9 to 5 ago,
That
and
is
you're
it.
alive.
That is
You
it.
not put no time for your work.
See that?
24 hours.
And then Ninja 4 them a come around and some big general too, and them a support me. So it's a good look. Me I get drop off at school, under and them thing there, and the youth them a say, yo, that youth are a real artist, But then when Bounty do Benz and Bim and I tell them say, yo, but then when that song your voice, couple youths say, lie I tell. But carry two of them a mixing lab studio and sneak them in and then get for hear Beanie Man and do the song with the hands man.
Yeah.
Girl are going to me try,
Blackboard.
and I so comes them believe say, me dead there hear all of them great songs there.
All
I
right. So
record.
during that time, did you get to do any recording? Because you did some like we call it the community tour, as I say.
Yes.
Yeah, me
It
saw
was
the
the
independent.
final year in a Pembroke Hall. I get for record my first 45, which is a collaboration with Jaguar.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yard Style Live.